In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the search icon on Shopify. This is a quick and simple change, but it can make your online store look cleaner and more focused, especially if you don't use the search feature or prefer a more minimal header. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside your Shopify admin so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend area where you manage your products, orders, and website design. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click that. When you do, it will expand and show you your current theme at the top of the page. Next to your live theme, you'll see a button that allows you to customize or edit your theme. Click that to open the theme editor. This is where you can visually adjust how your store looks without touching any code. Inside the theme editor, focus on the left panel. This panel shows all the sections that make up your current page. Look for the section called Header. The header is the top area of your site where your logo, navigation menu, and search icon usually appear. Click on the Header section to open its editing and styling options. Within the header settings, scroll or scan through until you find the part labeled Search or something similar related to search. In that area, you should see an option for the search icon, usually with a small toggle switch or checkbox beside it. To remove the search icon from your store's header, simply toggle that switch off. As soon as you do this, the search icon should disappear from the preview on the right side of your screen. Take a moment to look at the live preview and make sure the header now looks the way you want, without the search icon. If you're happy with how it looks, go up to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. This is important because your changes won't go live on your storefront until you save them. And that's it. You've successfully removed the search icon from your Shopify store's header using the built-in theme editor with no coding required.